Hello everybody, welcome back to the Eden Audio YouTube channel. I bet you're all excited, aren't you, wondering what we're going to show you today? Well, have we got some good news for you then? Because yesterday we received a pallet of goodies from Pylon Audio in Poland. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go through their speakers gradually one by one, but today we've got their entry level range. It's called the Sapphire SAT. Now this speaker you can use as a surround speaker, say for example if you're into home cinema systems, or you can use them how we've got them here this morning as a front stereo pair, and that's how we're going to test them. I'd just like to point out that these are a brand new pair of speakers and they haven't been run in yet, and also we've recently got some new speaker cables from DH Lab, and it's their Q10 signature range. As I say, these are brand new as well, and we're also running them in also at the same time. So please bear that in mind. So let's get on to the music, shall we? Sit back, relax, forget all about the worries and stress of life, and enjoy the music. So ladies and gentlemen, what did you think of them? Awfully good, weren't they? Must also add that the build of these speakers is absolutely fantastic. The pair we've got here are in a matte black and they look really cool. Anyway, thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much. See you soon. Have a nice day. Bye.